In this video, we are starting with your exercise 9.3 of class 9th mathematics chapter number 9 circles. इसके पहले के concepts हमने previous videos में कर लिए हैं. If you go into the description box of this video, you will get the link to the playlist of the previous videos. So please go ahead and watch those videos to get a better understanding of the previous concepts. So let's begin with exercise 9.3, question number 1. The question says A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O such that angle BOC is 30 degrees and angle AOB is 60 degrees. A, B, C are 3 points on the circle such that they make angles BOC is 30 degrees and AOB is 60 degrees. And there is a point B on the same part of the circle apart from arc AC. So we have to find angle ABC. This is very easy. You have to simply use theorem 9.7. What is theorem 9.7? It states कि अगर एक arc center पे जो angle बना रहा है and there is an angle made on other part of the circle, then the angle at the center will be double the angle formed at a point on the circle. So we see कि arc AC जो है, it is making angle AOC at the center, which is total angle 90 degrees, and it is making angle ADC on other part of the circle, so it is half of 90, so your answer would be 45 degrees. So let's quickly write down how to present this answer. We will say कि AC is an arc making angle AOC at the center, right? Therefore, I will say कि angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. You are given angle AOB as 60 and BOC as 30. So you get a sum of 90 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC we get as 90 degrees. Okay. Now, by theorem 9.7, what do we have? Angle at the center is double the angle made at a point on the circle. Therefore, we get angle ADC as half of angle AOC, which is 90. So we get this as 45 degrees. So this is your answer. Clear? Let's read question number 2 now. The question says a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. A chord of the circle, let's consider AB as the given chord, which is equal to the radius of the circle. So we have here AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. Okay. What do we have next? Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Now this is a point on the major arc and this is a point on the minor arc. C is a point on the minor arc. We have to find both the angles. Okay, which two angles we have to find? We have to find angle ACB and angle AB. Now we have AB equal to OA equal to OB. So this angle will be 60, equilateral triangle, correct? And if this is 60, arc AB is making angle 60 degrees at the center. So this will be 30, correct? Now this angle is 30. So if you can see ACBD and ACBD are concyclic points, they lie on the same circle. Therefore, ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles will make supplementary angles, that is the sum will be 180. So if this is coming out to be 30, this will come out to be 180 minus 30, that is 150. Is that clear? Let's understand how to write it. Here we are given that AB is an arc of the circle such that AB is equal to OA is equal to OC. Therefore, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, I have angle AOB equal to 60 degrees. Let D be the point on major arc. Major arc मतलब बड़ा हिस्सा. Okay. So let D be the point on major arc. Therefore, I can say angle ADB is half of angle AOB, that is 30 degrees. Now let C be the point on minor arc. Minor arc मतलब ये छोटा वाला हिस्सा of the arc AB. Point on minor arc. Therefore ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and therefore angle C plus angle D will be equal to 180. Therefore angle C will be equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150 degrees. Is that clear? I hope this is clear because these questions are quite easy. Calculative है, prove करना कुछ नहीं है. Let us now understand question 3. The question is in figure 9.24, PQR is equal to 100 degrees. Angle PQR is 100 degrees. And where P, Q and R are points on a circle with center O, find angle OPR. Okay? It is very simple. We have 3 points on the circle PQR and making angle 100 on the point on the circle. We want, understand one thing कि ये दोनों angles you cannot take कि PR makes POR at the center and PQR on the circle, so the angles will be supplementary. No, you cannot take. See, here we have PQR 3 points on the circle. 3 points we already have on the circle. Or POR जो है, it is the angle made at the center, but PQR is on the same side of the arc. अगर आपको opposite angle लेना है, मतलब if you want the center, theorem 9.7 का लेना है, तो you must have such a point that ये angle is half of this angle, correct? You cannot take this as 50 because this is 100. Same side पे होने चाहिए angles, right? So what we do is we take a point S on the opposite side of point Q such that angle PSR is formed. Now, what is angle PSR equal to? As you can see, angle PQR and angle PSR are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. Correct? Therefore, angle PSR will become 100 है ये, तो supplementary होके ये 80 हो जाएगा. Understood? If this is 80, if chord PR is making angle 80 degrees at a point on the circle, it will make double the angle at the center. So this angle will become 160. Let us write this much. We will say, take a point S on the circle on the opposite side of point Q on the circle, making quadrilateral PQRS, making cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. Therefore, I can say the angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, I have angle S as angle 180 minus 100, that is angle Q. We get angle S as 80 degrees. Now I have angle S, that is angle PSR as 80, which implies that angle POR will be equal to 160 by theorem 9.7. This you can write directly if you understand. If you don't understand, you have to mention the statements that PSR is an angle formed at a point on the circle and POR is a angle formed at the center. Therefore, it is double by theorem 9.7. Otherwise, if you realize it, you can write it directly. So, angle POR is 160. Now what? Now, in triangle POR, these two sides are equal. Correct? Why? Because they are the radii of the circle. If these two sides are equal, these two angles are also equal. If in a triangle, one angle is 160 and other two angles are equal, what will be each angle equal to? So we will have POR. Now we have in triangle POR, angle POR plus angle OPR, that we have to find, plus angle ORP equal to 180 by angle sum property. But we say the angle OPR is equal to angle ORP. Why? Because OP or OR is equal to OP as the radii. Okay. Therefore, POR is 160 plus 2 times OPR. Because OPR and ORP are equal, we have 180. Therefore, 2 times OPR is 180 minus 160 is 20, and therefore angle OPR is 10 degrees. This angle comes out to be 10 degrees. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Let's understand question number 4. It's extremely easy. The question is, in this figure, angle ABC, this entire angle is 69 degrees and angle ACB is 31 degrees. Find angle BDC. Now tell me something. If you had only had angle triangle ABC where this angle was 69 and this was 31, so what will be this angle equal to? This would be equal to 80 degrees because that sum is coming out to be 100 degrees. If this is 100 and therefore this is 80. So I get angle this as 80. Now as you can see, BC is a chord which makes two equal angles, which makes angle BAC and BDC on the same segment of the circle. So these two angles are equal. Theorem 9.8. If this is 80, this is also 80. Okay. How do we present this? Let's write down. We'll say in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 by angle sum property. ABC we are given as 69, ACB we are given as 31, BAC is equal to 180. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 100. 69 plus 31 is 100 and therefore this is equal to 80 degrees. We have angle BAC as 80 degrees and then you have to write a statement that angle BAC and angle BDC are two angles formed on the same segment of the circle. Therefore, we have angle BDC also equal to angle BAC, which is 80 degrees. Is that clear? Let's now understand question number 5. A, B, C, D are 4 points on a circle. A, B, C, D are 4 points on a circle in the figure. AC and BD intersect at point E such that angle BEC is 130 degrees and ECD is 20 degrees. Find angle BAC. Simply you have to find this angle. You are given this angle and you are given this angle. Now, in these two questions, the last two questions of this video, I am not going to write the entire answer. What I am going to do is, I am going to explain you कि कैसे करना है. You have to write. अगर नहीं आता है आपको समझ में, तो I have posted the written notes of the chapter on your description. Please जाके वो refer कीजिए. But just because I want you all to write your answers on your own, I am just going to explain you how it is going to happen. Okay? Understand this. See, BC is a chord and angle BAC and angle BDC are two angles made on the same segment. So BAC is going to be equal to BDC. So to find angle BAC, all we have to do is we have to look out for this angle. अब अगर आप ये triangle देख रहे हो, triangle EDC, you already have one angle. You have this angle, 130. There are two ways in which you can find this. 130 is an exterior angle to this triangle, which is the sum of these two angles. Correct? So EDC will be equal to, this 130 is D plus C. So D is going to be 110. That is one method. Another way is you find this angle by linear pair. So you will get this as 50. 50 plus 20 is 70. So remaining third angle is 110 by angle sum property. Okay. So we have angle BDC is 110. So this is also BAC is also 110. Clear? This you are going to write by yourself. नहीं समझ में आता है, please refer the notes, download कर सकते हो आप उसको. फिर भी नहीं समझ में आता है तो please comments में जाके लिखिए. I'm going to look up to the comments. Okay. Let's read and understand this question. This looks very difficult, but it's not. Let's read the question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at point E. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. If DBC, if angle DBC is 70 and angle BAC is 30, angle BAC is 30, find angle BCD. Further, if AB is equal to BC, find angle ECD. AB is equal to BC, find angle ECD. There are multiple ways you can solve this, but I am going to give you just one way. You can think of other ways कैसे कर सकते हैं, notes में भी है आपके पास, so please check out for yourself. Now understand, we want angle BCD, ये बड़ा वाला angle, ठीक है? Now if you can see this chord CD is making which two angles? It is making angle CBD and angle CAD, correct? So they will be equal. So this is 70. So this entire angle is 100. So BCD क्या हो जाएगा? It's the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So if the entire angle is 130 plus 70, so this angle BCD will be equal to 80 degrees. अब BCD में से this part, this angle, because we want another angle as ECD. ये एंगल कितना होगा? See again same concept apply कर सकते हो, और आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हो कि AB और BC equal है, तो these two angles will also be equal. So if this is 30, this is also going to be 30. These two are 30, so remaining क्या है? 80 में से 50. Correct? This is one of the ways you can solve this. You have to write this down by yourself. अगर नहीं समझ में आता है, you are given these handwritten notes का PDF format in the description box. Please go and download those notes. Try to understand कि कैसे लिखना है. But from now on, from the next videos, I am going to leave at least 1 or 2 questions for you to write by yourself. All right? So that is up to question number 6 of exercise 9.3. In the next video, remaining 6 questions will be covered. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you.